Why does your scanner show the P0129 engine code? What does it mean? P0129 is a diagnostic trouble code for barometric pressure too low. This engine code indicates that the engine's computer, PCM or ECM, has detected a barometric pressure reading lower than expected, potentially impacting engine performance and fuel efficiency. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty barometric pressure sensor, wiring and connector issues, vacuum leaks, clogged catalytic converter, dirty air filter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It can occur in various vehicles, but it's commonly associated with Jeep Grand Cherokees, Subaru, Chrysler, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.